Okay, so you're still here at the Tech Nuggets YouTube channel, and what you're seeing now is a diagram that I prepared to show how the internet works, the elements that talk together to make the internet work, or the internet infrastructure. So everything in the internet is governed by what we call protocols. Protocols are standards that all participants in the internet should abide by the standards so that everything is there is no room for miscommunication or misunderstanding. So the communication of information proceeds smoothly and trouble-free. So there are different types of protocols. We have data communication protocols like transmission control protocol, which is a reliable way of sending data through the different network equipment and devices in the internet. The user datagram protocol is not reliable, but it's fast. Address resolution protocol, the way that a network address is translated into a MAC address. And we have application protocols like HTTP. This is the web server protocol. And there is a secure version of this, which is HTTPS. Simple Mail Transport Protocol is for email, and File Transfer Protocol is for sending and receiving files. And the support services that makes all this run smoothly include protocols like the Domain System, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, Virtual Private Network, which creates a tunnel through which data can be sent and received securely, Simple Network Management Protocol, which is used for monitoring the network. And we have addresses because we have to identify each and every device on the internet with a unique address. And so we have addressing protocol like Internet Protocol version 4, which is composed of 32 bits, uh, 32 bits number, and the IP version 6, which is composed of 128 bits of number. The MAC address is a 12 hexadecimal digit that is printed on the network interface card of the network equipment and gadgets. So the central point of this infrastructure are the network equipment, which can be divided into two. In the user equipment, we have the computer, tablets, and smartphones. While the networking equipment, we have the router, the switch, the hub, and the network interface card. The router is used for passing data from one network to another. And the switch is for sending data within a local area network. The hub also does the same thing. And the network interface card is the device in your gadget that is sending and receiving the data. Now, what is the method of sending or transmitting data in the internet? It is called packet switching. In the packet switching, the data is divided into packets and sent individually, in contrast to circuit switching. The circuit switching is used in the plain old telephone system, where the circuit is dedicated to only one transaction. So that is the method of transmitting data in the internet. So what are the ways by which data are transmitted? One is routing. Routing is the transfer of data from one network to another network, and it uses the Internet Protocol address. when the data reaches its destination network, what we are going to do now is data linking, which is the transmission of data from one device to another in a locally connected network using MAC address. An example of this is the Ethernet standard, which is composed of collision avoidance and collision detection methods. And this everything, all of this happens within a transmission medium, which is the physical equipment, which is the physical media by which data travels through. And it can be a copper wire, a fiber optic cable, or a wireless signal, like a Wi-Fi. So I hope that this brief presentation has given you a little insight into how the workings of the internet. These are the elements that act together to make the internet work. It's composed of protocols, the network equipment, the method for transmission of data, and the transmission medium. So, thank you very much for listening and watching to my presentation. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again in my next video.